Hello, this is Michael from English Runway. Today we have 100 daily English sentences for personal growth. I'll read slowly and then you'll just repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Success comes when you work hard and you never give up. Every day is a chance to learn, so do not waste it. If you plant good habits, you will see results. Motivation is good, but discipline brings real success. Listen more, and you will understand more. You grow when you face challenges, not when you avoid them. Read a little every day, and your mind will grow. Set clear goals and take small steps to reach them. Your attitude affects results, so stay positive. Spend time with people who inspire you, and you will grow. Small effort every day brings big results later. Take responsibility for life because no one else will. Learn from mistakes and do not fear failure. Help others and you will feel happiness. Time is precious, so use it well. Think before you speak and choose words carefully. Success takes patience, and it needs action too. Your mind is powerful, so feed it with good ideas. Smile more, and your energy will improve. Change is hard, but it brings growth. Keep promises to yourself, and others will trust you. Focus on solutions, not problems, and you will succeed. Listen more than you talk, and you will learn faster. Start small and do something daily to improve. Be grateful today, and you will feel happy. Read inspiring books, and your vision will grow. Limit distractions because time is limited. Stay consistent even if results are slow. Your habits shape your future, so choose wisely. Take breaks, but never quit your goals. Speak kindly, and people will respect you. Save money regularly because small savings grow. Take care of your body, and your mind will be stronger. Ask questions, and you will learn faster. Face fears, and you will feel stronger. Celebrate small wins because they build confidence. Think positively even when life is hard. Keep learning daily, and life will improve. Avoid negative people because they slow you down. Exercise a little every day, and your energy grows. Sleep well, and your mind will be sharp. Plan your day, and you will feel in control. Write down goals and check them weekly. Be patient with yourself, because growth takes time. Speak truthfully, and people will trust you. Learn from successful people and copy good habits. Focus on your goals and ignore distractions. Give compliments, and people will like you. Keep promises, and trust will grow. Take action today, because tomorrow may be busy. A clear mind helps you make good choices. Listen to advice but decide for yourself. Avoid procrastination because it wastes time. Practice gratitude and your mood will improve. Do something hard today and you will grow. Learn one new word every day and your English improves. Ask for help and you will get better results. Face responsibilities even if it is hard. Focus on what you can control and forget the rest. Build a daily routine and life becomes easier. Keep a journal and your thoughts become clear. Smile at strangers and make someone happy. Set boundaries because time is valuable. Learn to say no and protect your energy. Take small risks because comfort zones stop growth. Share knowledge and people will respect you. Stay curious and life will surprise you. Ask questions in class because learning is active. Surround yourself with positive people and words. Listen to podcasts and your ideas grow. Exercise daily and your body feels better. Keep workspace clean and focus improves. Take time to think and decisions become smarter. Give time to family and love grows. Focus on one task and you will finish faster. smile in the mirror, and feel confident. Stay humble, and people respect you. Celebrate progress, even small steps. Help friends, and they will help you. Listen to music that motivates, and energy rises. Read inspiring quotes, and your mind stays positive. Wake up early and enjoy a calm morning. Plan meals, and your health improves. Limit social media because time is short. Review your day and think how to improve tomorrow. Set weekly goals and track progress. Practice speaking English daily and confidence grows. Spend time outside because nature helps mind. Drink water and your body works better. Keep a positive mindset even when life is hard. Focus on learning, not only earning, and success follows. Take responsibility for mistakes and learn from them. Be kind to everyone because kindness comes back. Read slowly and understand meaning clearly. Write short sentences and practice linking ideas. Listen daily and comprehension grows. Learn one skill at a time and master it. Avoid complaining and focus on solutions. Start today because waiting wastes time. Keep growing every day and success comes naturally. That's it for today's 100 sentences. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe.